How to change language in Google Photos app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to change the language in your Google Photos app. If the app isn't showing the language you prefer, it's super easy. Just follow along step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner, and then choose Manage your Google account. Once you're inside your Google account settings, tap the search bar at the top and type Language. Now select Language Personal Info. Here you'll see the language currently set for your Google account. To change it, tap the little pencil icon, then search for your preferred language, for example, French. Once you've found it, select it and hit Save to confirm your choice. Now here's something important. Even after you change your Google account language, the Google Photos app might not update right away. That's because Google often uses your device's system language too. That's totally normal, and here's why. Google explains that the Photos app uses your device language, not just your Google account language. So let's fix that part as well. Go to your phone settings, and in the search bar, type Language. Depending on your device, tap Language and Input, or System Language. Then tap on Languages at the top. Now add or select your preferred language, for example, French, and confirm it. And that's it. Once your phone's language changes, your Google Photos app will automatically switch to that language too. If you still notice parts of the app showing in the old language, just restart your phone, and everything should update correctly. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future tips and tutorials.